Let's take a look at the Age Discrimination in Employment Act. The ADEA made it unlawful to discriminate against those between age 40 and 65 years. Subsequent amendments effectively ended most mandatory retirement age of 65. Most states and local agencies, when acting as employers, must also adhere to the ADEA. You can't get around the ADEA by replacing employees who are, say, 60 with someone over 40. In one case, the U.S. Supreme Court held that an employee who is over 40 years of age might sue for discrimination if a significantly younger employee replaces them, even if the replacement is also over 40. To guard against age prejudices, it's advisable to have an anti harassment policy for older workers.